Morning to all. Myself, Dr. Arun Nehemia from Aerospace Engineering Department. So today I'm going to take one topic from space propulsion. So in that topic, the third year students are going to study this topic for fifth semester. So first we are entering into the unit one, fundamentals of rocket propulsion. So in that topic one for introduction. So before entering into the subject, what is space? Space, it is a full of voids. Already we know about the space. So space means it is a void that extend beyond Earth, where planets, stars, galaxies, and other celestial bodies are found. It is a place where astronomical and cosmic phenomena occurs. So in space, there is no air and significant gravity and allowing free movement of objects. So here there is no atmosphere air. So in that space region, so lot of hydrogen air it will be there. So we are not able to stand in that space. So here we are playing in that space. So here there is no gravity. So if you fall one object in that space, it will be around in that space only, not in that following ground. This is called as space. And next, what is propulsion? Propulsion means here the propulsion means it is a forward force. For example, if you drive a car or bike, so if you kick the bike or self start, it will be useful to start the bike. So simultaneously, if you trigger or accelerate the bike, means the bike it will be moved from forward. That is called as a forward thrust. So here the in that propulsion it will be run based on the Newton's third law. Newton's third law means every action is there is an opposite equivalent reaction. So in that case, in that propulsion it can be classified into two types based on body. First one is a translational. Second one is a rotational. Translational means the linear or moving faster or slower, like our bike and car. So it will be moved in that straight line manner or in the linear manner. So we will move faster or slower based on our speed. Next one is a rotational. Rotational means that it is a turning about an axis like a rocket. So in that deep body rocket, if you trigger the rocket, means it will be moves in space. So it will be moves in space in rotational motion. So it will be rotated in particular axis like y-axis. Next one is a space propulsion. Space propulsion, particularly this type of propulsion, it will be used for study about the space launch vehicles. So in that space propulsion, the following categories it will be covered. Number one is rocket launches, controlling satellite motions, maneuvering spacecraft. So rocket launches means launching pads. These are all, it will be covered under the rocket launches. Next one is the controlling satellite motion. So controlling satellite motions means the so rocket start from bottom to top. For example, we will in the Deepavali rocket we will light the rocket in ground. It will be goes in space and particular time it will be burned. That is called as a Deepavali rocket. So here the controlling the satellite motion means so that rocket will be keep the satellite in that space. So we will control the satellite motions from ground itself. That is called controlling satellite motion. So maneuvering the spacecraft means the maneuvering means the rocket launch from ground stations, and it will be goes to space. So in that bottom to top, each and every coordinates, it will be monitored, and it will be evaluated, noted by the that maneuvering part. Next one is jet propulsions. Jet propulsions means using the some propellant. Propellant means here the we are using any kind of petrol or gas, that is called as propellant. So in that car or bike, we will use as petrol or diesel as a propellant. For that jet engines and space vehicles, we can use some gases like oxygen, helium gases. It will be useful for that propellant. So in that propellant, it will be create the forward thrust. That is called as a jet propulsion. And next one is classification of jet propulsions. It can be classified into two types. One is air breathing system, another one is rocket propulsion system. In that air breathing system, it is also called as duct propulsion. So in that duct propulsion means if the air breathing engines, it will be similar to the two-wheeler and four-wheeler engines. So in that two-wheeler and four-wheeler engines, we can use atmospheric air for the propulsions. So in that case, we will use one oxidizer tank and fuel tank. So in that oxidizer means atmospheric air, it will be allowed inside the cylinder. It will be compressed, and simultaneously the petrol or diesel, it will be sprayed over to the compressor. So in that case, the burning will happen. Due to burning, the thrust, it will be produced. That is called a air breathing engine. So in that rocket propulsion engines, here we can carry the two tanks. One is fuel tank, another one is oxygen tank. So in the two tank, it will be controlled by the control valve. So in that valve, it will be used to control the flow of both fuel and oxidizer. By using this fuel and oxidizer, it will be react, and burning will happen. Due to the burning, the spacecraft and rocket will be climb to the space. Okay, so in that rocket propulsion, we will discuss about the launch vehicles, upper stage vehicles, orbital satellites, and space crafts. Thank you.